Hi friends, welcome back to Mangalorean Taste Buds by Asha. Today I'll show you how I make kingfish or surmai fish red masala fry. Being a Mangalorean and hailing from the coastal Konkan belt, my food inclinations are very obvious. Like millions of folks belonging to the coastal region, fish is an integral part of my food habit. Kingfish fry is the best appetizer for all seafood lovers. It provides a delightful experience to our taste buds. This tempting fish fry can be prepared in a jiffy with ingredients that are easily available in our pantry. The most important thing needed for this fish fry is the marination time. The more the marination time, the more the taste and flavor. I always prefer to marinate fish or meat overnight or at least a minimum of 6 hours. This fish fry is crispy outside, moist and soft inside. The best part of it is you can keep it ready before the time and fry whenever required. Do try this crispy and delicious recipe at home. It can be served as an appetizer or with steamed rice and dal. So let's check out the ingredients. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. If you like this recipe of mine, do give a thumbs up and click the like button. If you have tried this recipe, please leave a comment in the comment section below. So let's get started. Here I have taken 4 pieces of kingfish. You can cut it further. These are 5 pearl onions, 5 pods of garlic, 3 green chilies, a few curry leaves and 1.5 piece of ginger. Grind it to a coarse paste. Do not add water while grinding. This is spicy chili powder, 1 teaspoon. Pepper powder, half teaspoon. Turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon. Then this is Kashmiri chili powder just for color. Salt as per taste. And 1 teaspoon of vinegar, or you can use lime juice. Give it a nice good mix and then marinate the fish and leave it for a minimum of 6 hours. You can fry it immediately, but it tastes better when marinated longer. As these fish pieces are quite thick, it required a little more time for marination. Apply the masala on all sides, rub it gently. Fish is quite delicate, so you have to be very gentle. Some like to cut it into 2 pieces, but I like to keep it whole. It depends on how you like to cut the fish. Once the marination is done, allow it to rest for some time. Don't fry immediately. The fish will not absorb the masala. Take oil in a pan and shallow fry these pieces. Do not keep turning and tossing the fish very often. I prefer to cover it with the lid and cook it so that it cooks faster. When you turn the fish on the other side, be gentle. You can add a few curry leaves. This is optional, but curry leaves bring out a nice flavor to the fish. If you do not like the taste of curry leaves, you can just skip it. Cook till the fish is nicely done. Some like it well done, some like it 70% done. So it depends on how you like it. But I always like my fish to be well done. But don't overcook it, otherwise it tends to get rubbery. I hope you like this recipe of mine. Do give it a try. I'm sure you too will enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to click the bell icon to get notified as and when I upload a new recipe. The list of ingredients is given in the description box below. So, my dear friends, hope you have enjoyed this quick and yummy recipe. Stay tuned for more such interesting recipes. Till we meet again, check out my other recipes at Mangalorean Taste Buds by Asha. Bye, see you soon with a new interesting recipe. Take care.